morning, everybody. I'm going to start with the new daily pattern. This one is relatively simple. It's called Elle, E-L-L-E, and basically you draw in cursive an E-L and then an L-E, and that's it. And you just connect them or do various things. You can aura them. You can put them in rows. You can stagger your rows. You can mirror it. You can do variations with the shape of the L thing. There's one sample shown is a mirrored ribbon. That one's really cool. I like that one. Here's one where it shows it as like a border. Oops, I'm off the page. And then there's this one, which I really like the look of that one. So that's kind of the way I think I'm going to go here with this one. I think what I'm going to do though is I am going to make myself a border, and I'm going to go ahead and make that pattern around the border. So I need to kind of go in enough so that I have plenty of room to draw, like something like that. And I am going to also pencil in this E, L, L, E, something like that. And then E, L, L. I'm going to do it like that just so I have sort of a guideline. It might not be exactly where I'm going to put it, but I want to start like that. I'm just going to do this around the edge. Oops. All right, so somehow I missed it, but that's all right. We'll just keep going. E, L, E, E, L, L, E, E, L, L, E, L, L, E. I wasn't actually paying attention to how many E's and L's I was doing. I just L, L, E. It seems to help if I say it out loud. E, L, L, E, 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 L, L, E, E, L. All right. So I'm a little off on that one corner. Oh well, no big deal. I do like how the sample had them filled in, so I think I'll do that as well. So how are you guys today? Today is another hot one here. Just when I thought summer was over and we were getting cooler weather, it came back. Over 100 again the last couple of days. Oh well. Nothing I can do about it. I must say, when it gets down into the 70s and 80s and it's so pleasant outside, that's when I really enjoy being outdoors. I don't do well in the heat, so over 100 is just too hot for me, and I don't go anywhere or do much of anything but stay in the house or go to work. That's pretty much it. Sometimes I'll go shopping just to go to a shopping center with some air conditioning, but most of the time I just stay home when it's that hot. I like the look of this. Really graphic. Simple to do. Easy. This is an easy tangle. Obviously, all you have to do is E's and L's in cursive and pay attention to how many E's and how many L's. I suppose you could just do them in various other patterns. You could do your E's and L's with more L's and then more E's, or whatever. You know, 3 L's together would look different. I'm trying my best to follow this pattern. Didn't do a very good job in that one corner, but oh well. Don't really notice it, that it's different in that one corner, so I like that. Alright, so now let's try it big. I'm gonna start here in the corner, and I'm gonna go E, L, L, and E, and then I'm gonna mirror that. E, L, L, and E. That's cool. I like that. And then in the sample, they've got this as ribbons. So on each of these, came up and around, made ribbons out of them. Like so. And on the side. Right, like that. And then filled in with some dark. This is going to have a lot of dark in it, which will make it very bold. A little bit of sparkle up there at the top. Remember, all that the sparkle is just a spot where you've left it white. You can do it more straight. I like to leave it fuzzy like that, so it's not. Let me get it closer so you can see. Can you see that? Will it focus? Yeah, that's how I like to leave mine. Something like that. And then up and around over here. A little fuzzy sparkle. This one, I made that kind of thick, so I think I'm going to continue that line here so that it doesn't look funny. I hope you guys can see the tip better. I learned, I was watching some of my other videos as I was posting them, and figured out that if I hold my pen too close to the nip like that, you can't see what I'm doing. So I'm trying to, on purpose, get further back away from the edge, hoping that you can see the tip better. Let me know if that's better for you. I can't. My problem is I can't watch where my hand is and draw at the same time. So I'm kind of looking up at the monitor to see where I'm located in the screen, but it's hard to figure out if I'm blocking the area with my hand. And I'm trying really hard to not block that area with my hand so you guys can see what I'm doing. I just have to remember to grab my pen further up than I normally would do. I think that's the key here. Because I was a little disappointed on one of my other videos. I looked at it and I thought, oh my gosh, you can't see what I'm doing. You can see right after I do it, I move my hand, but you couldn't see what I was doing at the moment, and that was not what my plan was. All right. Just nice and smooth. Good. Yeah, I really like this. This is fun, easy to do, non-stressful. And then I like the way the sample shows. It appears to be some tipple in here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make myself some tipple, different sizes. I think different sizes would be good for this one. I see my rainbow is back. It's that time of day when the sun goes through a little hanging crystal I have in my window. So I apologize if that's bothering any of you guys, but there's nothing I can really do about it until the sun moves. Suppose I could stop videoing this time of day, but that's not going to happen because this is the time of day I have. Hopefully, as summer wanes and we get into fall, of course the sun will be at a different point, different parts of the day. So I think I'll just have to put up with this just for a little while. It didn't happen before, and it probably won't happen again until, you know, time changes or whatever. Imagine that there's this point of time twice a year where it will be right in my spot. Okay, I like that. That's really cool. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this shadow like in the sample because I really like the way that looks. So I'm going to give that a go. And that's putting a little bit right here and around like this on each one of those. So it's coming up here and it's coming out and around like so. Just a little bit. And then I will blend it with my stump, and that should help with. And then the same over here, it's got to go the other direction though. It's got to go on this side because the light has to go all the same direction, because that would be really confusing if shadows went one way on one half and a different way on the other half. So they got to come up and around like that, up and around and out like that, and like that. I think something like that. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Maybe once I blend it, you'll see it better. Definitely needed a blend. I think I need a little bit of shading on my tipple. But I'm not going to take the pencil. I'm just going to use whatever graphite's left on the bottom of my stump. What do you think? I like it. Simple, easy, quick pattern. It's called Elle. And sign it. There we go. Pattern done. You guys have a nice day.